The EV3 small SUV EV, the newest member of Kia's quickly expanding EV family, sits beneath the two-row Kia EV6 and the electric three-row crossover Kia EV9. Even while it looks like the EV3 is taking up more room than the EV6, it is really nearly 14 inches shorter and borrows the EV9's design cues, rather than the EV6's more streamlined lines. Kia is reportedly developing a mid-sized EV5 EV SUV, but it is not expected to be launched in the United States. Although specifics are still being worked out, we have had the opportunity to closely inspect the European version and can attest to its adorable, blocky presence, which is identical to the EV9's, but it comes in a smaller, 5-passenger, 5-foot-tall, and 14-foot-long container, more amiable appearance. Although the powertrain specifications are still being finalized, we do know that the front-wheel drive, single-motor basic model will run on a 58.3 kilowatt-hour battery, while the long-range option will use an 81.4 kilowatt-hour battery, which will help Kia reach its target range of 350 miles. The console lid that serves as a taco table, the use of recyclable materials in the doors and dash, and the two 12.3-inch touchscreens are the primary features of the interior, which has been muted from the Kia concept EV3 that we saw towards the end of last year. Overall, Kia will have plenty of competition from rivals like the Volvo EX30 EV and VW ID.4 if it can maintain the base model's pricing close to its $30,000 objective. What's new for 2026? All of it, since the EV3 is a whole new model. Nonetheless, the EV3 introduces Kia's next-generation one-pedal driving capability, which again offers driver-selectable regenerative braking settings via paddles positioned on the steering wheel. We won't know how different or better it is from the present system until we take the EV3 for a test drive. Aventurine Green, Frost Clue, Shale Grey, and Terracotta are the 4 new paint colors that are exclusive to the EV3 and have not yet been included in the Kia palette. The most recent star map distinctive lighting idea is integrated into a fresh, muscular take on Kia's classic tiger face design. The daytime running lights, DRLs, which are arranged vertically, accentuate the tiger face design even more to portray a character that exudes confidence. The EV3 gives off an air of extraordinary strength in profile, along with a strong sense of agility and dynamism. The long, elegant, sloping roofline continues into a tailboard that resembles a hatchback, emphasizing the extremely sophisticated body design even further. Its original nature is further highlighted by the distinctive interlocking volumes and graphics, which combine with a dynamic profile and expansive cabin to create an interior that is vast. The EV3's interior design offers a spacious cabin that comfortably accommodates 5 people. Kia has created a highly functional and effective cabin that exudes an appealing living space-like ambience, designed to be enjoyed by occupants on every journey and when the vehicle is charging.